In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a white background in Clipchamp, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you want a clean transition, a pause between clips, or a simple white screen for text, branding, or emphasis in your video. We'll do this using only the built-in tools in Clipchamp, so no extra downloads are needed. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Clipchamp tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp in your browser and go to any project of your choice. This can be an existing video you're already editing or a brand new project. Once your project is open, make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline so you can clearly see where you want the white background to appear. Next, slide the play cursor along the timeline to the exact point where you want the white background to start. Take your time here because this determines where the split will happen. You can zoom into the timeline if needed for more precise control. Once the play cursor is in the right position, click on the Split button. This will cut your video into two separate clips at that exact point. Splitting the clip allows us to insert a background in between without affecting the rest of the video. Next, click and drag the second clip slightly to the right to create a gap between the two split clips. This empty space on the timeline is where the white background will go. The size of the gap determines how long the white background will stay on screen, so you can make it shorter or longer depending on your needs. After creating the gap, move your attention to the left sidebar and click on Content Library. This is where Clipchamp stores stock assets like backgrounds, shapes, and visuals you can use in your projects. Inside the Content Library, click on Backgrounds. You'll see a variety of background options here, including solid colors. Look for the white background option. Now, click and drag the white background directly into the gap between the two video clips on your timeline. Once it's placed, it will automatically fill the frame with a clean white screen. You can adjust the length of the white background by dragging its edges on the timeline to perfectly match the gap or to create a longer pause. At this point, you've successfully added a white background in Clipchamp. You can also layer text, logos, or other elements on top of the white background if you want to use it as a title card or transition screen. And that's it. You now know how to add a white background in Clipchamp quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who's learning video editing with Clipchamp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.